In Microsoft Excel, when working with text data, a common task is to make the cell data consistent by capitalizing the first letter of the first word and making the rest lowercase. There is no built-in formula in Excel to convert text into sentence case. However, we will use a custom formula to convert text into the sentence case. Click on any blank cell, type the displayed formula, and press Enter. This will capitalize only the first letter of each word and the rest to lowercase of the referenced cell. Expand the formula to apply it to the respective rows. The explanation of the formula. Once you have the desired result, you can copy the cells with the formula and paste them as values in the original cells.